This is the Ooni Koda 16 gas-powered pizza oven. It's one of Ooni's most popular ovens, largely due to its ease of use and portability. The Koda 16 is very beginner-friendly and requires practically no setup whatsoever. All you have to do is take it out of the box, insert the baking stone, and attach a fuel source, and you're ready to start cooking. Depending on your preference, you can fuel your Koda 16 with a standard propane tank or hook it up to a natural gas line. A quick ignition feature on the dial gets you up and running quickly. It's easy to use, which means there's no learning curve with this oven. The flames come from an innovative L-shaped burner, which allows you to cook the entire pizza evenly with just a single turn. This is another reason why the Koda 16 is so good for those who are new to pizza making. Like all of Ooni's outdoor ovens, the Koda 16 heats up in a matter of minutes and maintains ultra-high temperatures to cook amazing pizzas in just 60 seconds. You can dial the temperature up or down easily using a single knob. A durable carbon steel exterior protects the Koda 16 from the elements and provides exceptional insulation to make sure the heat stays only where you need it. Inside, a large cordierite baking stone gives you plenty of space to cook and turn 16-inch pizzas inside the oven, but it's still compact enough to take to parties, tailgates, and other events. And when you're done cooking, the legs fold away so you can store it until your next pizza night. The Koda 16 is one of Ooni's most streamlined ovens. Great for hosting parties or just turning a simple weeknight meal into something special. This oven's popularity speaks for itself, and we think you'll soon see why.